Hello there, people. So today I'll be teaching you how to create your own shilling bot for Telegram. You'll be able to use this bot to promote your business on Telegram, to promote the launch of your coin, or to promote anything you want to promote on Telegram. You'll be able to send messages to hundreds or thousands of groups with the click of a button. So first thing you need to do is install Python on your computer. And we need to do that because Python is the programming language that the script is written in. So all you have to do is go on Google and write how to use Python with CMD. The reason I wrote with CMD is because we're going to be running the script through the command prompt from Windows 10. So all you have to do is type that and it will be the first link. I'll put this link in the description of the video, of course. So all you have to do is go through these steps, and this will ensure that you've installed Python onto your computer. And this is necessary to run the script. Next, we go on to CMD, and if we type Python in CMD, excuse that, I misspelled that. If we type Python, if the installation has been done correctly, you will see this message. It might be a different number because this is just a version, but you will get this message. So for now we're going to type exit because we're not actually going to write the script in the command prompt. We're just going to run the script from the command prompt. So we're going to exit that, and we're going to go to my.telegram.org. I'll leave this also in the description of the video, the link. So here you would need to create an account. Well, actually not create an account, but just activate your existing Telegram account to allow you to use Telegram's API service. API allows you to do things on Telegram programmatically. So what we're going to do is enter the phone number of an existing Telegram account that you have. So me, I'll enter mine, which is 256-808-1782. Once we do that, let me see. Oh, I gotta make sure you put the area code. So we're gonna try that again. So it's +1 256. Make sure that you're putting your own number here and not mine, because this will connect you to your existing Telegram account. And make sure you have a Telegram account on the number that you're entering here. So once you do that, you're going to get a message in your Telegram account. This is the account that I just entered the number for. And this is the latest one that I just received. So all you have to do is use this code. So you copy that and you paste the confirmation code, sign in. Now you have access to the Telegram API. So what you do is you click there to create an application, and you can give it any name you'd like. So Mr. SHILL, for example. You can use the same short name. You don't need to put a URL. We're using the desktop, so I'll just put desktop, and we create application. So what we've done here is we've generated a code that we can use in our programming code to use the Telegram API. This will identify us as the account that the number that I used earlier, the phone number. This will identify us as that number for the Telegram API. So what we need to do is now we can move over to the code. So we would have to copy this. Keep in mind, once again, you want to create this for your own account and not copy the numbers that I have here. This will be generated once you enter your own phone number. So we would open this, and this is the script that I've written. I'll explain it in a second. So first we're just going to put the app ID, which is, you can see it right there, and the API hash. We're going to copy that one as well and put it there. This one does have to be between single quote brackets, so make sure you do that. This one doesn't need any brackets. So sorry about that. So first thing we're doing here is we're importing system. This is just a generic function for Python. I'm not an expert in Python, so I do apologize if I if I explain something wrong here, but essentially everything that is important for you to know will be explained correctly. So make sure you type it as you see it in your script. By the way, you can the script you can write it in Notepad if you'd like, but I would suggest downloading Sublime. This is the text editor that you see in front of you right now. It's just more fun than Notepad, more user friendly. So yeah, you can type import sys, then you have to do from telethon import telegram client, then import time, then import date time, and start time time. This is all just to get the time function because I use it in my script. And this is gonna be where you enter the group names. And here we have uh, the script which actually calls all those groups and sends a message in each one of them. We also have a timer set up. We don't have to use this, but right now it's set to 3 hours. As you can see, this is in seconds. So it's 3 hours. Every 3 hours, this will repeat automatically. So you can run it once and then exit the script if you don't want to run it more than once, or you can just let the script run and it will keep running every 3 hours. This is where we enter the message between these single quotes here. This is the message that you'll be sending into all of these groups. Next, we have the groups where we would add them right here. So I'm going to add the test groups that I've created. These are public groups that I've just created on Telegram for the purpose of this video. Testy tester 1 and testy tester 2. So you can add as many as you'd like in this array. This is what this is called between the parentheses, the square brackets, sorry. And you can add them just by comma, single quote, the name of the group. This is going to be the tag name, not the actual name in the title, but the tag name, which you can get just by clicking on the group itself, on the group title, I mean. So yeah, you can add as many as you'd like in this, and we're just gonna click Control S. Now we're gonna go back in CMD, and we're gonna go to the location of the file. As you can see, I've saved it under Downloads, SHILL tutorial, and the file itself is SHILL. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mention that. Once you do save the file, it has to be .py because it's a Python script. So once you save it, make sure that at the end it's .py, and we're gonna go back to our here. So we're gonna go to the folder that has the script by clicking CD, Downloads, SHILL tutorial, and you click enter. As you can see, now we're in the SHILL tutorial. Keep in mind you want to click CD and then whatever you have here or wherever you've saved it, you need to put the path here. If you're having issues knowing what to enter here, Google, for example, how to find the path of my file, or how to navigate in command prompt to a specific folder that has your file. So once you're here, all you need to do is Python shilling.py. This is how we run the script. We just type Python. Once we're in the right folder, like I said here, so in the SHILL tutorial folder, because that's where my script is, you write Python space the name of your file, which in my case is SHILL. Once we click enter, it's going to ask us for a phone number. So as you guys remember, I created the API login account with this account. See, I've also created the tester account with this account. But I can use my API, I can use my application that I've created. Even though I created the application with this account, I can use it with any other account. And this is a very cool thing because that means you can use as many accounts as you want with the script. without having to create a separate application for each one. And I can show you how to use it on multiple accounts. But today I'm just going to show you one account. If you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments that you do want to see how to use multiple accounts, and I'll be able to create a separate video for that. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the number of the account that I didn't create the application with, because I created the application with this account, and I'm gonna use the application with a different account. So it's the Kaiser Soze account. So we're gonna enter the number here because that's what it's requesting, and as usual we have to start with the area code. Don't forget that. 3521654. Now it's going to request the code that it's sent the code to this number, to this account in Telegram. We're just going to copy the code from Telegram, enter it there, and as you can see, now I've tried to shell using Kaiser Soze into both of these group, using this account into both of these group, and none of them worked. As you can see here, this is a fail rate, and it's 100% in this case, because 100% of the groups were not able to, where we were not able to send messages in. This is the reason why we're having this issue right now, is because we actually didn't join these groups using this account. So we have to do that first, and this has to be done manually, because many groups have captchas, so we can do it programmatically. So you would just do this manually once, and then you can shill in those groups as many times as you want using this the script. But you do have to join it once manually. Like this account has to be in these groups. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go over back to Telegram, and using this account, we're just gonna we're gonna be back to this account, this one here. So we're gonna look for these groups. So testy tester 1, and we're gonna join, and we're gonna look for 2 as well, and we're gonna join. So now that we've joined, we can come back here, we can click Ctrl C to end the script. This is how you end running a script in the command prompt. You just click Ctrl C, and we're just gonna run it again. As you can see now, the fail rate, we didn't get any error messages like we did before on these two. See, chat right forbidden. We got a 0% fail rate, and this means that we were able to, you see, we've been able to shill in both of these groups. If we go to, see, Kaiser Soze, he shilled in both of these groups right now. And we can do that again. Let's, so here we're going to minimize it. We're going to end the script by clicking Ctrl C. We're going to click up to click the up arrow to go back to the last command that we ran, and we're going to run it again. As you can see, again, 0% fail rate, and yeah, as you can see, there you go. We've shilled once again in both groups. So yeah, see, once again, I'm gonna do it one last time. So Ctrl C to end the script, up key to go back to the last command, and enter. 0% fail rate. As you can see, 441, it has shilled once again using Kaiser Soze. So now I've taught you how to shill using a single account but in multiple groups, as many as you'd like. I can make a separate video to show you how to shill with multiple accounts in multiple groups, so you can really have as many accounts as you want, shilling in as many groups as you want. So just let me know in the comments if you want to see that, and if you do want to see any other crypto related automation, or if you have any questions about anything related to blockchain development, let me know, and it would be my pleasure to create more videos for you guys. I just need to know how much interest there is out there, and what interest in what exactly. So thank you very much for your time, and yeah, please pause the screen to copy everything here into you can, as I mentioned, you could do it in Notepad, or you can do it in Sublime Text. This is what I use. This is just a text editor, and save it .py. Go through it and write it as you see it, but I will leave a link in my description that also includes the script itself, so that you can copy paste it if you'd like. But keep in mind, you have to enter your own API hash and API ID, because mine will not work. This was just for the test. You have to do the process that I showed in the video. So thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.